Okay, number 1 coming up. So for you, practice with the Guitar Pro drums and the bass. And then when you go to record your stuff next week, just do it with the Guitar Pro file. But I am going to do the usual thing and just play to the metronome so you can hear how everything is lined up with just the click. Here we go. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Done. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Number 2. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3. Oh my. I changed chords way too soon. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and done. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 'll try the repeat here. I'll question this one. This is a lot harder than the other one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. chord, damn it. That's tough. You gotta remember to breathe doing this stuff. You gotta get oxygen into the muscle. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn it! Alright, 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the chord theory. Alright, so the first line is done to show you what's happening. So basically, taking the power chord, let me change the sound here. So taking the power chord, so a fifth chord. It's a fifth chord because, again, the root notes and the fifth interval are being played at the same time. So it's a 1, 5 octave, the 1, 1, 5, 1, which is 2/3 of the inversion. So basically, you're already holding the 1, or no, not the 1, they're holding the 5 and the 1 already. So, the quick way of finding the first inversion is you start with the power chord, and if you want to make it major, you go up a major third. So 2 whole steps. And that's what you got there for that C over E. And you got your D5. We have a D minor chord in this key. So we take the D5, go up a whole step, then a half step. That gives us the D minor over F, the first inversion for the D minor chord. E5 is next. We have an E minor chord. So again, we go up a whole step, then a half step. With E minor over G, we do the same thing down here. Go up a whole step, then a half step. F5. We have an F major chord in this key. So we go up whole step, whole step. There's the F over A, the first inversion for the F major chord. G5, we have a G major chord in key, so we go up whole step, whole step. A5, we have an A minor chord, so we go up whole step, half step. This is a weird one. This is our, it should be called a diminished fifth, because that's what it is. But you always see it as the B5, flat 5. And I hate the name. Hate it. Because to me, it looks like it's saying you have a B5 plus a flat 5. But no. This is how it is. So anyway, root note, flat 5, octave of the root note, diminished chord, has a flat third in it, just like the minor. So go up, whole step, half step. And there you go. So your job is to start on the A string for the next line, input the same chords. Start C5, then C over E, D5, D minor over F. And just follow what I just showed you there to help yourself figure it out. And then you do the same thing starting on the D string. So the power chords will look a little different. See if you can figure it out. But the notes are always structured the same. It's always the same, always the same, always the same. C5 chord is always C, G. And because we're using 3 strings, C, G, C. Always, always, always. So C, G, C. C, G, C. Oh, I just gave it away. Wait a minute. That wasn't a C. There. So I guess you can quickly see what I'm doing. And then, there you go. C, G, C. So C, G, C, stack it up that way, and you got it. And then the last thing, start it on the G string. So hopefully all that makes sense. Any questions come up, let me know. And yeah, just send the stuff over whenever you got it. You can do one line and send it over just to double check if it's done right. or do the whole thing first. So, any questions, let me know. I will see you again next week.